Good evening and welcome to Northern Maine Productions. It's 3 weeks since I worked on this white. Most of you probably might have saw the video that I had on here 3 weeks or so ago that I had to replace a head on this thing, and I just thought I'd bring a little update to this and let you all know that this was successful. I've mowed about 4 hours or so with this mower since then, and it's running very well. No problems whatsoever. I did finally I had a couple of things I had to fix on this thing. The first thing that I fixed on this was that stupid Anti Backfire Solenoid in the bottom of the carburetor. I couldn't find the wiring harness to it when I put the engine back together, so I had to disable it, and of course that didn't work out so hot. This thing backfired really bad, and it actually swelled the muffler up, and the muffler bracket was all bent really bad in the front, and plus it had been bent prior to that from running into things with it. So I took that bracket off there and straightened it out today and got the muffler back up into place where it's supposed to be, and I actually had to flatten the muffler back out too, and I think you guys can hear this alright. I'm going to try to start it. You won't hear that awful rattling noise anymore. So that's working well. It's working very well. I think that probably fairly soon though I'm going to have to readjust the valves in this again though, because I think everything's gotten seated in now, and I noticed today it was having a little bit of a hard time cranking over when it was hot, so but it's turning over pretty good right there. But well, anyways, I guess we're probably going to get a thunder shower here, or a rainstorm. It's pretty dark and gray here right now, so I just figured I would do a quick little video on this, just an update to let you know that the engine actually works good in this. The rest of this machine works pretty good too, but it sure needs a new seat awful bad. I'll find a seat for her here at some point in time, but anyways, I guess that's it. Just a short, quick little. And I also noticed, I was going to mention too, since I fixed that head on this thing, the oil consumption's way down now. It's not using oil like it was when that valve guide was coming out of that exhaust valve, so that's a good thing. But anyways, I guess that's it. You guys have a happy 4th of July. Bye bye.